That snap you just heard, that's 5000 milliampere hours of battery life attaching itself to your iPhone in less than a second. And the wild part, this thing is thinner than most wallets, zero point 0.3 inches thin. Let that sink in. Today, today we are breaking down the Anker Nano MagSafe power bank, QI2 certified, ultra slim, and honestly one of the most interesting iPhone accessories out right now. Whether you have got an iPhone Air, iPhone 17, or the iPhone 16 series, this one's worth your attention. Let's get into it. Right on the top, you have got the Anker Nano power bank itself, and before diving into specs, just look at it. This thing is tiny, slim, premium feeling, and the green colorway here looks really clean. Underneath that, you get a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Anker actually includes this a lot of bronze keep it, a welcome guide with setup info, and a note about the 24-month warranty. That 2-year warranty is worth calling out. Anker has always been solid about standing behind their products, and on a battery accessory, that kind of backing matters. Simple, clean, nothing wasted. Now let's talk about what actually makes this thing special. The design is generally one of the standout things about the Nano. It's zero point 0.3 inches thin. That is remarkably slim for a 5000 mAh battery. Most battery packs at its capacity are chunky bricks you throw in a bag and forget about. This one, you can actually slip it into a tight jeans pocket or barely notice it. The magnetic ring on the back snaps to MagSafe iPhones with that satisfying, confident click. It's not going anywhere once it's on. Look how flush it sits. No weird gap, no wobble. It just becomes part of the phone. The USB-C port is on the bottom. That's where you charge the bank itself. And the LED indicator on the side gives you a quick read on remaining battery. The surface has smooth matte finish that does not attract fingerprints aggressively. The green color is muted and sophisticated, not neon, more of, say, forest vibe. Overall, the build quality punches well above what you had expect for the price point. It feels like something that belongs next to your iPhone, not something that cheapens it. Let's get into the numbers because this is where it gets interesting. This is QI2 certified, which means it hits the 15-watt max that MagSafe iPhone support wirelessly. That's the same speed as Apple's on MagSafe Pock. No watered down wireless speed just because it's a portable charger. According to Anker's internal lab testing, it can charge an iPhone 16 Pro to 25% in just 42 minutes. That's generally fast for wireless charging on a power bank. Plug in your USB-C and you get up to 20 watt, fast enough to be useful when you are in a rush. This also works for other devices, AirPods, Android phones, tablets, whatever needs power input is also via USB-C. Expect a couple of hours to fill it fully, normal for a battery of this size. 5000 mAh in real-world terms, accounting for wireless conversion loss, gives you roughly 1 volt charger for an iPhone 16, or close to 1.5 charges for small battery phone. Perfect for a day trip top-up or an overnight trip. The performance story is straightforward. Fast wireless, solid weight, solid wired output, and the magnetic attachment means you can use your phone completely normally while it charges. Here's a feature most people gloss over, but it's actually one of the most important things about this power bank: heat management. Wireless charging generates heat. Heat degrades battery health over time, both in the bank and your phone. Cheap chargers get hot, really hot. Anker built the Nano with three specific solutions to this. One is graphene One is graphene cooling. Graphene is incredibly efficient thermal conductor. Instead of heat building up in one spot, it spreads and dissipates quickly. Second is dual NTC chips. NTC stands for negative temperature coefficient. Smart sensors that monitor temperature in real time and throttle charging if things start running warm. The third one is smart heat control. The whole system works together to keep the device below 104 Fahrenheit. The industry standard ceiling is around 118 Fahrenheit. This runs 14 degrees cooler. That's a meaningful margin for long-term device health and for comfort. You are not going to pick up your phone and feel like you just grabbed something out of a microwave. If you charge for long sessions overnight, this matters a lot more than most people realize. Compatibility is broad. The Anker Nano works with iPhone 16 series, 16 Plus, 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max, iPhone 17 series, including the new iPhone Air, iPhone 15 series, all MagSafe models, any QI2 certified device going forward. And because it has USB-C port, it's not exclusively a MagSafe charger. You can cable charge any USB-C device, regardless of MagSafe port, and headphones, tablets, earbuds, you name it. QI, that is non-QI2 device, will still charge wirelessly just at a lower voltage than the full 15 watt. Here is the honest rundown. What works? The 0.3-inch profile is generally impressive, one of the slimmest MagSafe banks available. QI2 at 15 watt, no speed compromise versus a wall charger. Thermal management is thoughtful engineering, not just a spec sheet claim. Build quality and finish feel premium. USB-C in and out makes it versatile. 24-month warranty gives real peace of mind. Things to consider: 5000 mAh is one charger for most modern iPhones. Heavier users may want a larger bank. No pass-through charging, can't charge the bank and phone simultaneously. The LED indicators show doors, not percentage readout. None of those are deal breakers, just trade-offs worth knowing about before buying. So who is this for? If you want the most pocketable MagSafe power bank available right now, this is it. The ultra slim form factor is the whole value proposition, and Anker does not sacrifice charging speed to get there. It's perfect for daily commuters who need a needy top up without extra bulk, travelers, and day trips where a full portable charger feel like overkill. iPhone Air users, especially, you have got a thin phone, why attach a brick to it? Anyone who wants fast wireless charging without the heat concern of cheaper options. If you need a 10,000 mAh or more, this is not your pick. But that's not what it's trying to be. The Anker Nano MagSafe power bank is one of those products that just gets it. It identified the one thing everyone hates about MagSafe battery packs, the bulk, and solved it without cutting corners on speed or safety. 5000 mAh has its limits, and heavy users will want something bigger. But as an everyday carry companion for iPhone 16 or 17 users who want fast, clean, reliable wireless charging in the slimmest package possible, this is the one. Link is in the description below. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe if you are new, and let me know in the comments. Are you team wireless or team wired for portable charging? See you in the next one.